Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. In this video, I'll be going over the brand new Venice token, or ticker symbol VVV. This thing just launched via an airdrop, and it already got listed on Coinbase. This is a new AI project founded by Eric Voorhees. Now, right now there is a lot of controversy around the launch. So in this video, I'll be breaking down what Venice is, why I think it's actually useful, as well as all of the controversy around the token launch so that you can make the most informed decision possible. Let's get into the video. So the Venice token is just a couple of days old. It did launch on the 27th of January. Currently, the price is $8.65 with a market cap of $226 million and a fully diluted valuation of $866 million. So here is the chart, and this thing did launch via an airdrop. Essentially, the snapshot was taken on December 31st, New Year's Eve. And if you were holding popular base tokens such as Virtuals, AIXBT, the Aerodrome Finance token Aero, and if you were holding some of the more popular AI agents on Virtuals like Trust or Vader or AIXBT, you would have gotten this airdrop, and the claim page is just on their website. I'll show you that in a moment. But anyways, what is this project and why do I think it's actually useful? So let's get into that right now. By the way, the founder is this guy Eric Voorhees, and he has a deep history in the crypto market. Okay, he's an OG, he's a Bitcoin OG, been around for a long time. He's founded other projects in the past. He's founded Shapeshift, which is a centralized exchange. And he also founded something called Satoshi Dice over 10 years ago, which essentially allowed you to roll the dice and gamble for more Bitcoin. Anyways, he actually sold that for 120K Bitcoin back in the day, which is, worth billions of dollars now. So anyways, this guy's very well off already, and this is his new project, Venice AI. He is the founder of everything. So anyways, let's talk about what Venice is. Okay, so we have a tweet here. So Venice actually launched in May of 2024 as a private, uncensored alternative to ChatGPT. Okay, so they focused on solving surveillance, censorship, as well as friction. Then in November 2024, it opened its API for third-party apps, developers, as well as AI agents. So now the VVV token, any human app or agent can stake VVV and draw on the Venice API or inference and earn emissions. So there's a 7-day cooldown for staking withdrawals and some details about the tokenomics. There was no pre-sale, 100 million VVV tokens at the genesis. 50% of that was airdropped to users as well as the crypto AI community projects on Base that I did just mention. And there will be 14 million new tokens created every year as staking rewards. Now, what this project is, it essentially adds a layer of privacy between you and the LLM that you are using, such as, say, ChatGPT as an example, or even DeepSeek, the new Chinese LLM AI that took the world by storm recently. A lot of people blaming that for the market crash, and I don't necessarily think it's exactly related to that. More so just kind of normal market fluctuations. But regardless, what VVV does, it adds an obfuscation layer between you and the LLM you're accessing so that they don't get all of your data. All of your data is actually essentially stored in your own browser. Okay, so it's a privacy layer. You can think of it like that. So anyways, the rundown. Venice makes it easy to use open source models for people who don't want to download from Hugging Face and run models like Llama locally. Ask Venice is basically a ChatGPT user interface but focuses on privacy. Your requests are encrypted and the actual conversations you have only exist in your browser. Now, the IP address that you are accessing it from is shared to Venice. There was some scrutiny over that because the founder, Eric Voorhees, said, nothing is shared with Venice. It's completely private. But if you actually read the terms and conditions, your IP is actually shared with them. Something to note. Anyway, so they host multiple open source models. Some of the more popular ones right now. And over the weekend, they added in DeepSeek as well. So they have 400,000 registered users. And also, Venice uses multiple decentralized GPU providers, so it is not possible for any computer provider to have your entire history. Okay, and here you go. The only thing they know is your email as well as your IP address. So anyways, that is the rundown on the Venice token and what it actually is, what it does, why it is useful. if you go to Venice.ai, you will be taken to this page, and it says you can ask it anything. So I actually went ahead and asked it, what is the VVV token used for, just to play around. But I want to show you anyway, because if you just go to, once you click on a prompt here, it will tell you what the VVV token is used for. Okay, so it's used to access the interface, and you can also earn staking yield. If you just click on the token up here in the top left, you can connect your wallet, and if you were holding any of those tokens like AIXBT or Vader or Trust or Arrow or Virtuals, you can connect your wallet and claim an airdrop. All right. And anyways, you can also read here, the VVV token is an access key for AI agents and developers, as well as staking. All right, so that's its use case. Very on par with essentially all tokens in the crypto market. Now, why is there controversy over this project right now? Coinbase did list it on day one, and the community realized that there was a lot of insider selling as soon as the token went live. So I want to bring up this tweet here. So this guy, Cause, he went ahead and tweeted. He says, so the VVV launch, if I got it right, the Venice team members sold on day one. Arrow team members insider traded. Yes, that's correct. Aerodrome Finance team members had early information on the token launch. They insider traded it, and they basically got canned from Aerodrome. They got fired for insider trading. So anyways, more corruption. Coinbase listed on day one, amping up the degen FOMO for more exit liquidity. Base amplified the token like no other. All around shit show if you ask him. To caveat, he thinks it's good that exchanges list projects on day one, but exchanges should look at the tokenomics. If 25% of the team supply is unlocked on day one, you're asking your customers to be exit liquidity. And Eric Voorhees responded, we're talking about, I guess he says less than 1% of the supply in regards to the team, the Venice team, selling on day one. Anyway, so you see the response to this tweet. A lot of people are saying, look, like these guys were building the project for a year. You know, if this team wants to sell 1% of the supply on day one, they need to get compensated. It is a bit of a debate. It is a bit of a debate going on. And also, it's a known fact that there was at least 2 Aerodrome Finance team members, that insider traded it for profit as well. So I believe that's the reason, as well as the market conditions at large, for kind of the lackluster price action at the current moment in time that you're seeing on this token. $254 million market cap right now. And I think a lot of the insider trading that happened in the team selling definitely kind of spooked a lot of people off. A lot of people go to Coinbase, go to Base, these AI projects, because they want to get away from, say, the pump fund casino, even though everything is still just major speculation grounds. But, you know, when you hear the fact that the team sold on day one and Aerodrome Finance people insider traded, it does scare a lot of people off, and it makes a lot of people basically want to sell their airdrop that they were given. Some people have received a 6-figure airdrop for this token. So anyways, controversy aside, what's my take on this token? Do I think it will do well? Well, the founder, Eric Voorhees, he's got deep pockets. He literally sold Satoshi Dice for 120K Bitcoin around 10 years ago, but still nonetheless, that's worth billions of dollars nowadays. And you got to assume he's got other, assets beside that one sale he made on something he built and sold. So he has very deep pockets. He's obviously well connected to Coinbase, with Coinbase listing the token on day one. So long story short, I am optimistically somewhat bullish on this token. You can call it kind of cautiously bullish. Now, right now, I do think is a decent entry price for this token. The problem is, or the issue with this is that it's not necessarily doing something crazy groundbreaking, adding an obfuscation privacy layer between you and the LLMs that people access, okay? It is a good idea for sure, but to be valued at billions and billions and billions of dollars in the future, right? Because if this thing increases in price by 4x, it will be $1 billion circulating market cap and essentially a $2.4 billion fully diluted market cap. So is this worth multiple billions of dollars? I'm not so sure about that. And I do know there's going to be other AI projects that do similar things to this and also improve on it. So anyways, short term, I do see this thing pumping back up to around $16 to $20. Okay, so I think there's an opportunity at least for a trade here at the moment in time. And I would be looking for a move back into these levels again, 16 to around $20 for VVV. From there, if you're going to buy it down here, not financial advice at all, but I would say to essentially make it risk-free and ride your bag for the bull run. If you were given the airdrop, I think it is most likely worth it to hold. Staking, I don't necessarily like to chase yield, especially with the 7-day unlock period because it's not liquid. So I don't personally advise doing that. If you want to stake though, be my guest. That's totally on you. So anyways, all in all, my conclusion for the Venice token, optimistically bullish. I think it at least will put in a move to $16 to $20 here. And at the current moment in time, again, all the selling pressure from the team, from Aerodrome Finance insiders, it spooked a lot of people. Okay, so people are definitely fearful of this token right now. And there's opportunity when fear is in the air around something. People are going to capitalize, and the chart is essentially bottomed out. This thing can make new lows, right? If the team decides to sell and all the airdrop people decide to sell even more, it can make lower lows and, you know, go past these wicks. However, I don't believe that is to happen, as I think we're going to see an uptick in the altcoin market at large relatively soon. All right, so again, I'd be looking for this thing to at least go back to 16 to 20 bucks, and more likely than not actually push to all-time high prices after that. But that's my take on the brand new Venice token. So in this video, we went over the brand new VVV token. The founder, Eric Voorhees, he launched this one on January 27th, gave a big airdrop to the Base community and the AI agent holders on Base, and some controversy at launch with the team and insiders selling. However, a lot of it was publicly cleared up by the founder. Nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy this video and learned something new and insightful. Let me know in the comment section down below if you got this airdrop, if you held it, if you sold it, or if you're actually buying this token. I would love to hear from you guys around your thoughts, what you think about this project right now. Drop a comment down below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, go ahead right now and smash the subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.